You can see the Malayalam sounds a, e, u. And its equivalent English vowel sounds. Their representation phonetic simples. Okay, a, e, u. So we call them short vowel sound a, long vowel sound a, short vowel sound again e, then long vowel sound e, short vowel sound u, long vowel sound oo. An example word is hut. The spelling u gives us the sound a, hut. The spellings ea gives us the pronunciation or the sound heart, ah. Okay, next word hit. Hit, I gives us the sound e, hit. Then next one is heat. Ea gives us the sound e. Hook, double O gives us the sound oo. Then who, it's here who, W is silent and we have the pronunciation who. It could be a short one, a long one, depending on how you use it in the spoken way. Usually it is a long vowel sound who.